Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking essentials. Your iPhone must run iOS 13 or later, and Siri must be on. Once done, plug a certified Lightning cable into the Kia Carens USB port or prepare for wireless pairing. Make sure Bluetooth and location are enabled on your phone and unlock it. You will see a CarPlay prompt on the phone and Carens screen, except on both. This immediate action starts the handshake, so the head unit recognizes your iPhone and readies CarPlay. Once the initial connection appears, you accept pairing on both devices and allow CarPlay access to contacts, notifications, and maps. Make sure to set the Carens as an audio output so navigation and calls route correctly. You should customize your app layout on the iPhone under Settings General CarPlay Carens to prioritize navigation, music, and messaging. If you want wireless CarPlay, confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are active. Otherwise, keep the cable connected to maintain a stable data and charging link. You finish by using CarPlay to navigate, call, or play audio. Tap apps on the Carens touchscreen or press the steering wheel voice button and speak your request. Make sure to use Siri for hands-free texting and route changes while driving. If an app lags or CarPlay disconnects, restart your iPhone and the car infotainment, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If problems persist, swap to an Apple-certified cable. That single troubleshooting step often resolves intermittent connection issues and restores reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.